ScrapWhatever, the new innovating app that's going to allow the world to recycle better and make money. Pay dirt. Yeah, they have to take it apart to get it out. They ripped it apart a little bit up there. Look, so the trash people go down there. Why did they put it here? Because they ran out of energy. Download with your Apple phone, Apple Store, Android, Google Play. See, the purpose of the app is for convenience and to get your debris / scrap metal removed immediately. Download with your Apple phone, Apple Store, Android, Google Play. What if you were able to receive photos of merchandise like this every day? Would that be lucrative to you? Download with your Apple phone, Apple Store, Android, Google Play. Let's make some money today off of the refrigerator.